Druggy friends are druggy friends. You're not gonna be happy without drugs. You can't be together without drugs. Kailangan may drugs yan. Okay? So, may kapalit, no? So, sabi ko, sige. Sad, but I have to do this. I'm gonna lose my friends, but I know I will gain a lot of new friends. So, I came in. Alam niyo, when I came in, it was the best decision that I ever made. Sabi ko, this is what I need, no? I really thank Kuya John. I really thank the Lord for giving me, for showing me, no? Na, ito, tawagan mo si Robert, tawagan mo si Kuya John, tawagan mo si Bridgesman. He's just waiting for your call. Tinawagan ko. He led me to that, eh. Wala na akong ibang ginawa. Pero hindi, ang alam po sa akin, nagnanakaw ako sa tito ko, pero hindi po ako yung nagnanakaw sa ibang tao. Sa mga kamag-anak ko lang. That's what I do. Even my cousins in Laguna, which loves me so much.